Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we'll show you how to remove or how to replace a seat on a Ford Focus MK3. Okay, this one will be removing it. We're actually going to take it out to clean it, and if we cannot clean it, we want to replace it. You can see how nasty that thing is. So we'll show you how to do the front seats today. Front left, front right is almost identical. Actually on the left side, driver's side, you might have extra wires, but other than that, procedure will be very close. Some models might differ by the wires, but as a whole it should be the same. So you need a T50 socket, and we're going to go ahead and get those bolts loose, okay, on the front, and those are usually pretty tight and they don't go very easy by hand usually. Okay, the second one is right there. Stay with us. We have many videos, guys. Check out our main channel, World Mechanics. It's growing crazy fast. It's in the description below. Yeah, we're gonna cheat a little bit with a little impact, save us some time. Okay, second one is out. What you need to do now, you need to screw the seat all the way to the front. Okay, like that. And it will be easier if you actually lean it all the way to the front as well. So now it will be really convenient if you go on the back. Okay, and you can see that's where the other bolt is located, right there. One there and one right here. So we need to do the same procedure to both of them. Okay, just like that. Okay, and we have one more. Okay, doing that one there now. Not as easy to reach. And I guarantee you guys, you'll always find some money there, some change. Okay, what you need to do now, you need to go ahead and disconnect the battery, because the passenger detection mat is part of the airbag system, and you don't want to have an airbag light. And if you have power seats, that's why we didn't tell you to do it in the beginning, because you have to use the power seats to screw it front and back so you can reach the bolt. So that's the battery, guys, right here. And we will need to disconnect the positive cable with a 10mm wrench. You can use it right here, and it's preferably to disconnect negative as well, and let it stay for at least 30 minutes before you proceed after that. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and disconnect it now. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes, guys. We're going to go and tilt it to the back now. And once we do that now, okay, that's where the wires are, right here, the one we were talking about. Okay guys, now with the 7mm socket we need to remove that bolt. Just get it loose, and after that you can go ahead and just do it by hand with the socket. Yeah, seats nowadays are pretty complicated. Never get them wet, really wet, because you will mess them up. Okay, it's almost there, and you just pull it out after that. You can see that's the whole wiring now. And now you can just grab it, guys, and carefully guide it out of the car. Okay, and you can take it out, okay, just like that. Okay guys, and you just put it back together the same way we took it apart, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.